Hello, my name is Eamon Casey and this is a presentation relating to the IOTA OneBox portal. When you log into the portal based on the URL above here, portal.iota.net.au/portal, you will open this login page. If I press the login, we go straight into our home page. This presentation is specifically related to onboarding new devices that have recently been installed, so onboarding onto the portal. When the homepage opens, it opens alphabetically based on the customer site names. Most customers, of course, will only have a single customer site access. If I go to a single user, we'll see we've got two sites allocated here. If I go to the plus icon here to add site, press that icon, it opens an add site page. By simply typing in the address, we can open up a Google address list below. If I select the correct Google address list, it automatically populates the latitude and longitude. So that means this device will be located correctly on the map. If the site address is not included in Google Maps, you can manually put in the latitude and longitude. There's an option here to add notes, so any notes we add, I'll put in a test site for the purpose of this, will come up in the list on the portal. And convenient notes can be placed there around particular site characteristics that an operator would like to have recorded. There's an option for drop-down zone. So in this case, there's only one zone, so that's the zone that's selected. But if there was numbers of zones within this customer site, we could select the zone from here. The cut-in and cut-out levels are default based on the E1 pump, but they can be changed. And the OneBox that's been selected in the site will be available in the drop-down list. When a customer purchases OneBox from IOTA, they are automatically uploaded into the portal and will be available on this drop-down list. So for the sake of showing the system, I will add that OneBox. When the OneBox is added, it populates the current trip set point in amps here, which is currently at 8 as default, and the SIM card number. SIM card number is added, so if a separate SIM card is placed, it can be recorded there. So we have a record of the SIM card number. The current trip set point is the amplitude at which if the pump exceeds that level numbers of times, the pump will cut out on high amps and an alarm will be sent. This is the default setting for the E1 pump, which is equivalent to about 56 meters in pressure head. If we're seeing more than that, we believe we have a problem. There's two tick boxes here. One is alarms enabled, and we tick that in order to ensure that the alarms generated by the OneBox are sent to the operator. Sometimes if a site has been installed but it won't be occupied for a number of months in a new installation, then there may be a decision not to enable alarms as we don't want that site showing on our portal. The operator won't want to see that on the portal. We also have an option here for flow meter. There's an option to connect a flow meter to spare IOs in the OneBox, and if we connect a flow meter and select this, a flow meter report is generated weekly and again sent out to operators. So if I submit this site, we'll see the site will be added to the portal. So it's just saving, and there we have it, added at the top site. If we've made a mistake in our in setting up the new site, we can go into edit site, and again we can change the address. If it's the wrong OneBox was added, we can remove the OneBox, and I can confirm that by removing a OneBox, it's removed from the site and put back into the register to be used somewhere else. Faulty is selected if the box has failed and is being returned to IOTA, and it will not be put back into selection. So I submit that, and that submits and updates the portal as we can see in this site. And then if I want, I can go and delete that site. And it's as simple as that. So that is adding and editing a site. Thank you very much for your attention.